Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello viewers, I am Muhammad Abdul Habib. Welcome you all to MC Tutorial for Accounts. In this video again I will be explaining a problem how to calculate income from capital gain when the assessee has transferred listed equity shares. Let us have a question, page number A72, question number 16. Let me read out the question for you. On 15th June 2002, Mr. B.R. Vijay purchased 600 listed equity shares of a limited company in Bombay Stock Exchange at 250 each. The cost inflation index is 105. Calculate tax liability listed in each of the following situations if income from other heads is 2,70,000 and situation 1 if the shares are sold on 11th July 2018 at 720 per share in a recognized stock exchange in India. Fair market value as on 31st January 2018 is 600. Situation 2 if the shares are sold on 11th July 2018 at rupees 720 per share in an unrecognized stock exchange or sold privately. तब यहाँ पे who is the assessee? Mr. B.R. Vijay. यहाँ assessee के पास listed equity shares है और situations दो है. He is selling in a recognized stock exchange and he is selling in an unrecognized stock exchange. That is, he is selling privately. अब यहाँ पे जो solution है ये सिर्फ situation 1 when the shares are sold in recognized stock exchange in India उस पे है. In our coming video we will be seeing how to solve problem when the shares are sold in unrecognized stock exchange. Let us solve the problem. Here is the heading: computation of Mr. B.R. Vijay income from capital gain for assessment year 2019-2020. Here is the format, particulars, amount. Working notes में पहले क्या था? Transferred asset. The asset is held by assessee for more than 1 year. Hence it is a long-term capital asset. Now coming to format, consideration received. Consideration received में क्या लिखना है आपको? Mr. B.R. Vijay के पास कितने shares है? 600 shares है. He is selling it on 11 July 2018 at 720 per share. तो ये जो कैलकुलेशन आता है वो क्या आता है? 600 into 720. जो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है 600 into 720, 4,32,000. This is our consideration received, 4,32,000. अब यहाँ पे consideration received में से क्या subtract करना है आपको? Transfer expenses. But as transfer expenses are not specified in the question, it is taken as nil. 4,32,000 minus 0, which is again 4,32,000. This is called as net consideration. अभी net consideration में से क्या subtract करना है आपको? Less cost of acquisition. How do we calculate cost of acquisition when listed equity shares are sold? It will be, first we will be seeing whether the shares are purchased before 1st February 2018. यहाँ पे working note से देखिए, computation of cost of acquisition. Shares are acquired before 1st February 2018. So here of the following steps, step 1 and step 2 will be cost of acquisition. Step 1 क्या रहता? Cost of acquisition. कितने shares खरीद रहे? 600 shares खरीद रहे. एक शेयर 250 में खरीद रहे. तो cost of acquisition कैसा कैलकुलेट करते हैं? 600 shares into 250 per share. 600 into 250 which is 1,50,000. ये step 1 था. Step 2 क्या है? Lower of the following two amounts. What are the lower two amounts? एक फेयर मार्केट वैल्यू एज ऑन 31st जनवरी 2018, दूसरा सेल कंसिडरेशन. सेल कंसिडरेशन तो अपने को 4,32,000 600 शेयर्स इंटू 720 पर शेयर कर लिए. नेक्स्ट फेयर मार्केट वैल्यू, दिस विल बी स्पेसिफाइड इन द क्वेश्चन. तो यहाँ पे क्या स्पेसिफाई करा हुआ है? द फेयर मार्केट वैल्यू इज 600 पर शेयर. तो 600 शेयर्स इंटू 600 पर शेयर विच इज 3,60,000. अब इन दोनों में लीस्ट अमाउंट कौन सा है? एक 3,60,000 है, एक 4,32,000 है. इन दोनों में जो लीस्ट अमाउंट है वो 3,60,000 है. इन दोनों में जो हाईएस्ट अमाउंट है इट विल बी कॉस्ट ऑफ एक्विजिशन. स्टेप 1 का अमाउंट 1,50,000, स्टेप 2 का अमाउंट 3,60,000. इन दोनों में हाईएस्ट क्या है? 3,60,000. दिस विल बी टेकन एज कॉस्ट ऑफ एक्विजिशन. तो नेट कंसिडरेशन कितना है? 4,32,000 लेस कॉस्ट ऑफ एक्विजिशन कितना है? 3,60,000. देन 72,000 विल बी इनकम फ्रॉम कैपिटल gain, that is long term capital gain. अब यहाँ पे income from long term capital gain on equity shares is exempted up to rupees 1 lakh. बट यहाँ पे बंदे की इनकम कहाँ तक जा रही? सिर्फ 72,000 तक जा रही. यहाँ पे वर्किंग नोट से देखिए, long term capital gain on equity shares is exempted up to rupees 1 lakh. Hence complete 72,000 will be exempted. अब next assessee के पास क्या बचा हुआ है? income from other heads. Income from other heads कितना है? 2,72,000. This will be taxed on slab basis. As the age of the assessee has not been specified in the question, he will be considered as a non-senior citizen whose age is below 60 years and whose basic exemption limit is 2,50,000. Hence the tax liability will be for first 2,50,000 nil नेक्स्ट जो स्लैब आएगा वो 2,50,000 1 रुपी टू 5 लाख 5% पे, बट एसएससी की इनकम सिर्फ 2,70,000 तक है, तो वो जो एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट है 20,000 उस पर ही टैक्स कैलकुलेट करें 20,000 इंटू 5/100 विच इज 1,000 रुपीज़। तब यहाँ पे एसएससी कितना टैक्स पे करना है, 1,000 रुपीज़ टैक्स पे करना है। बट इफ द एसएससी if the income of the assessee is up to rupees 3,50,000, the assessee can claim tax rebate. Here is the working notes. Assessee whose income is up to 3,50,000, tax rebate is given, which is list of the following two amounts. एक actual income tax, दूसरा rupees 2,500. Actual income tax assessee का कितना आया, 1,000 रुपीज़ आया, दूसरा अमाउंट क्या है 2,500। तो अब इन दोनों में लिस्ट अमाउंट कौन सा है, 1,000 2,500, इन दोनों में लिस्ट अमाउंट क्या है 1,000 रुपीज़। This will be given as tax rebate if the total income of the assessee is up to 3,50,000। तब ये जो इनकम टैक्स है वो 1,000 है, इसमें से जो टैक्स रिबेट मिल रहा है वो भी 1,000 है, then 1,000 minus 1,000 which will be 0, that is nil. Hence the tax liability of the assessee is nil. This was the solution for situation 1 when the listed equity shares are sold in a recognized stock exchange. In a coming video we will be solving it for situation 2 where the shares are sold on the same day at the same price, but they are sold at unrecognized stock exchange or sold privately. Hope you have liked my video, and if you like my video, do subscribe to my channel AIMS Tutorial for Accounts, and if you are a new subscriber to my channel, don't forget to press the bell icon for further notifications. Do like my video, post your valuable comments, and do share it with your friends, relatives and all. Your one share can help someone to learn something. Thanks for your valuable time. See you all in next video. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.